Well, hello again and welcome back to my Iconic Faces series. Remember, ring that little bell icon if you want to know what's coming up next, and of course subscribe please, that would be great. Right, now the iconic face I'm going to draw today is one of the most recognisable in the world, Santa Claus. Now I'm going to start off with my 4B pencil and I'm going to draw a curved line like that, okay, and bring it around into almost like a kind of a rugby football shape like that, and draw another curve there. Okay, that curve there is going to be the bottom of his hat, and this area here is his face. So a very rough middle line like that, and then a line going across just above the centre for the eyes. Okay, this curve is going to be the bottom of the moustache, and then below that another big curve which we take in kind of egg shape at the bottom, you like, that's the beard, and at the top the fur around his hat and a bit for his hat at the top. So there's the kind of rough shapes for you. Okay, so we're going to start off the eyes, which will be on that line, and you have a kind of slightly high curve at the top like that, and then a curve going the same way but much more shallow, almost like the segments of a lemon, that kind of thing there. See that kind of curve there, and his eyes will go in there, the pupils of his eyes, you see, and the eyes are kind of almost kind of half closed, so you get these lines above each eye, which are the eyelids, you know, and then because he's got that nice crinkly eyed smile, you get the line coming out. You bring that line a bit further down like that, and then add another couple of lines above it. These are the laughter lines, okay? And above that you have the eyebrows, a couple of nice big curves. You've got smiling eyes already, and a couple of lines come in from the eyebrows towards the nose. Don't draw heavy lines down there, just leave them. A couple of your lines there, and then a kind of circular shape for the front of the nose there, and the actual nostrils. And then the lines coming down from the nostrils because it'd be smiling, okay? Now, the moustache from the centre of the nose there, coming down, and that big curve, remember that, these curved lines? Or you're following that curved line up like that, in the top line up, like that. And a nice big luxurious moustache for Santa here, right? Curving like that. And his hair will come in little curves like that, and curls coming in there, another side of his face, okay, and the fur will come in, or his hat will come around like that, and the top going in and coming in like that. Now this fold will just appear there because the coming down behind here would be the end of his hat with the bobble on the end, the fur bobble. Okay, now you have a nice smile, so it'll curve just there, and then you open up his smile like that. There's some teeth in, and the lip below it, okay, and a few little lines to suggest the beard, and then the beard coming down here, and you can suggest the hair of the beard, the curling hair of the beard, by doing these kind of curly lines all around the outside like that. Okay, so there's our Santa in pencil, and I'll just ink that in now. Okay, so let's take the pen, draw in our top line, that curve, and then the bottom curve. First pupil, nice big bit of highlight in the centre there, you see, and then the laughter lines coming in there, that top line going up, and the bottom curve, and the pupil, and the highlight left there, okay, and the laughter lines on that side with the eyelid, okay, and the hair of his eyebrows, do it in short strokes like that, okay, and a couple of little lines come down towards the side of his nose like that, and then a couple of little light lines across the top of the front of his nose, and you bring in that curve and his nostrils like that, okay, and the lines coming down from the side of his nose. What else have I got? He has nice kind of round cheekbones, so you put a couple of wee lines in there to suggest the curve of the cheekbone coming in there. Okay, now the moustache. As you bring these broken lines up like that, you can curve some of them out. Maybe have that one going that way, this one going that way. Like that, okay? And the other one coming down there. Break up the lines. Nice big curl there. Like that, okay. And his curly white hair would appear coming under his hat there like that. Okay. And then the line of his hat itself, that's fur, remember, so you'd use shorter curly strokes for that. Right along there. And then coming up the side, it goes around the back of his head, remember, so it comes around a bit, that kind of shape there. Again, short kind of curly strokes for the fur. Like that, okay? And then the top of his hat kind of showing, coming in like that. With a wee line coming there because that's the back, the fold of the back coming down there, okay? And a bit more hair at the side here. And the back of his hat coming in just behind him there, hair there. And again, the kind of bobble of the hat, short strokes to suggest the fur. Okay, now his mouth, top lip just a little bit of it there, then the kind of teeth shape and a curve, and the actual smiley bottom part of the mouth, shade that in. Okay, and his bottom lip coming up like that, and you'll see a few little lines of the hair of his beard coming in like that, and then you carry on now and bring in the rest of his beard. And you can do that with long curly strokes like that, some going back the way, some coming down the way like that, and break it up a bit and make it more interesting, okay? Like that. Most of them following the line of the beard coming round, okay? Like that. Excellent, so there we have Santa Claus. Looks a happy, cheery chap, and that's exactly the kind of feeling you want to get. Now I'll just rub out some of the guidelines with the putty rubber here. See how he looks. Excellent. Well, you enjoyed that. I hope you can join me the next time for one of my illustration tutorials. But of course, in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.